Hello everyone, introduce you our hot selling cadence scale model. This one is CK652. And this cadence scale dimension is 200, the length is 215 and width is 165 with 16 millimeter thickness. And as you can see, its big feature is this platform is SUS 604 stainless steel and with LED display. Cadence scale with ABS body. You see here is the ABS and with the Hawk design. You see you can hang the scale in the kitty to save the space, and also it brings 2 pieces AAA battery enclosure. Its capacity is 10 kg capacity and with 1 gram division. And also, as you can see, just turn it on. It is touch operation. Use a long touch to turn off and a short touch to turn it on. And also, it has the auto off function, which means you do not operate in the scale for the 60 seconds, and it will automatically shut down. And also, this scale have a tare function, and touch displays have a tare function.